In this video, we're going to quickly look at how we add an image to our question. So I've built out my question already. In which year did these Olympic Games take place? Got some dates there. Obviously, that doesn't make sense at the moment because these Olympic Games, what are we referring to? So I'm going to put an image in here to give my students some stimulus. So you can go to the image search with Bing, or you could go to OneDrive if you've got an image already stored on there, or you can go to upload from your computer. I'm going to go to image search with Bing at the moment. I'm just going to type in Mexico Olympic Games and let's see what happens when I do that. That's exactly the image I want, so I'm going to just click on that. You can see that changes to add. I click add and that will start that loading. Okay, so once that's done, that's all in place now. I need to give that an answer, the correct answer there, and then I'll go over to preview and then we can see there it is. So that's how simple it is to add an image to your questions.